In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate tons and tons of quality leads for your business. Whether you are a product-based business or you're a service-based business, this particular video is going to help you. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is BizLift and you're welcome to BizLift NG. Now, this channel basically talks about Facebook ads, Instagram ads. We talk about advertising and how you can leverage platforms like Facebook and Instagram to grow your business, improve your visibility, and generate more sales. So if you are just watching this video or you're just coming to this channel for the very first time, thank you so much for coming, and I do hope that you leave a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to appreciate you for all the time that you've spent in watching my videos and coming back to watch this particular video. Now, this video is about lead generation. I'm going to be sharing with you one great type of strategy that I use to generate leads for a lot of my clients, and this can be used by any type of business, whether it's product based or service based. Now, what I'm going to be showing you is how you can generate leads directly to your Instagram account, and you can actually get these people to leave you their phone numbers, their emails, and you can reach them and convert them manually or however you intend to do this. Now, this strategy is very simple and it's not very expensive. That's one of the things that I love about this particular strategy. All right, so let me show you right away how this strategy works. So what we're going to do right now is to jump to my laptop. This is going to be done using the Ads Manager. Of course, you know that I love to always use the Ads Manager because it gives me great results, and I think you also should do that. Right now, what we're going to do is to jump to my Ads Manager. I'm going to click the create button and I'm going to jump on the leads. Now, the leads objective is what we're going to be using for this particular ad. Now, you need to understand that lead generation basically is having like some sort of lead magnet that you give to people. So it's like giving value in exchange for information or for data. So I'm giving value for somebody to submit their data, like email their phone number to me, right? Now, so think of the value that you can give. This value could either be a free PDF book, it could be a webinar, it could be anything that your audience would tag as being valuable to them. So you need to ask yourself, what is valuable to my audience? What can I give in exchange for them to leave me their phone numbers or their email, right? Now, there are different ways to generating these leads. For those who have a website, you can actually use your website to generate leads. Your website will be used as a landing page, and then it will be used to collect this information. So when you say, for example, I'm giving out a free PDF for you to download this PDF, click this link, and when they get to the link, they get to submit their name, their phone number, and their email, and then they get the PDF books in their email, right? That's one option. Now, the other option I'm going to show you, you don't need a website for this option, and everybody can actually run this type of ad. Now, let me show you. So when you click on the leads objective, the next thing you want to do is just to click continue. Okay, so click continue, and then you're going to use the manual leads campaign right here. Okay, so click continue on the manual leads campaign because we don't want Facebook to automatically do things for us. We want to set them manually by ourselves. Right now, this is not where we're coming to. We're coming to this part here that says the ad set, right? So this is the ad set part. Now, under the conversion, you're going to be asked the conversion location, which means where exactly are you trying to generate these leads. Now, if you were listening previously to what I said that you could actually generate these leads using a website. So if you have a website or a landing page, the leads can be generated from a form that you have included on your landing page, right? Now, the other one is instant forms. Instant forms basically is Facebook's type of landing page where they help you create this form, right? And then you can use their own form to generate your leads. So people can fill a form that will be generated from your Facebook Ads Manager, and then you can use that to generate your leads, right? That's also a good option if you want to do that. Now, the other option here is Messenger or instant forms and Messenger, and then there's Instagram, right? What we want to use for this particular video is Instagram. So we're going to be using Instagram to generate our leads. Now, I've done this for a lot of real estate agents, and this has really given them quite a number of sales. And I believe that if this works for realtors, I understand that this will work for product-based businesses and even service-based businesses, because everybody needs to generate leads. Every business type needs to generate quality leads, especially if you are a service-based vendor, right? Now, we're going to click on Instagram, then come here to where it says featured page, and then you pick the page that you want to use. So let me just use a real estate agent page here, I have one here. Okay, so immediately you select the Facebook page, of course automatically the Instagram page is selected. Okay, so once that is done, the next thing you want to do is your daily budget. Now let me say that this type of ad is not very expensive. It's an average type of ad that you don't need to spend so much. But I would advise that you spend anything between 5,000 naira or $5 if you're outside Nigeria and you're watching this. So anything between 5,000 naira or $5 daily is a great budget. And then you can set an end date if you want this particular type of ad or campaign to end at a particular date, or you can just leave it and let it run, and then you can stop at your own convenient time. Okay, so now the budget scheduling, we're not doing anything like this, or we're not trying to increase budget at any specific time, so skip that. Now let's get to the location part, right? So we're going to edit this, and then we're going to look into some specific locations where we know that our ad, or we're going to be able to generate the type of lead we want. So say you're running a real estate ad, for example, we're going to be focusing on places like Lagos, and then we're going to focusing on cities like Abuja. Now, that is basically because we understand that these cities will give us quite the quality lead that we're looking for, right? Now, this does not mean that there are other cities in Nigeria where you can't get quality leads. You can get quality leads in Port Harcourt, in Benin. These cities always have the kind of people that you want to target. So, but for this ad, I'm using Lagos and Abuja. So that's that for that. Now, when we get to the Advantage Plus audience, what we want to do is to switch to the original audience option, right? So once you do that, it's going to give you the age range. Now the age range, because this ad is for real estate, the age range we're going to be using is going to be 30 and 60. Okay, now the gender I'm going to also be using is going to be all, both male and female. Now you can set this according to your own specific audience type, right? Set this according to your audience type. Now the detail targeting is also very important. The detail targeting is very important. So I'm going to put in real estate. Okay, I'm going to see real estate industry here, then click on the suggestions to just add a bit of more targeting that are related to what we are doing. Okay, so first time buyer, new house, single. So I just picked a bit of suggestion to help me with the targeting. Okay, once this is done, the next thing you want to do is placement. Now when you edit the placement, choose manual placement, but you will realize that only Instagram is selected. That is because the lead that we're generating, the type of lead we're generating, is only directed to Instagram. So only Instagram is going to be the placement that will be here, right? But of course you have the Instagram feeds, the Instagram profile feed, then you have the Instagram stories and the Instagram reels, which is perfect, right? So all you have to do here is to click next. Now this is where it gets interesting. Now the ad level is going to give us the option of creating our ad, right? Now, unlike other type of ad campaigns where you're able to use an existing post, you might not be able to use an existing post for this type of campaign. What you have to do is to manually upload the video that you're going to be using for this campaign. So let's say we have a video already. I'm going to just come here, add video, and then I'm going to just add a video that we have. So let's say this video. Okay, so I'll just add a video that we have already. So done. Okay, so the video is currently being added. You can see here, you can put in your primary text. Of course, you know how to do that. Put in your text, which is your caption, then your call to action, depending on what you're trying to get. Of course, because this is a real estate ad, I'm going to be using a call to action like get offer, learn more. Those are the kind of call to action that I'm going to be using. Now, that's not where we're going to. Where we are going to is this part that is called the message template. Now this message template is going to be the deciding factor for this type of ad. Reason is because this message template is like an automated message or an automated responder that is going to be responding to people based on what they select. So it's going to have a series of question and then answer that they will give you. That answer is going to all be automated. So we're going to set everything up right here. Now, all we have to do is to click on create chat. Now, when you click on create chat, you have the option of a welcome message, questions, completion message, disqualification message, and a privacy policy. Now, let's start with the welcome message. For the welcome message, what are we supposed to do here? This is just basically to welcome the leads, right? It says, "Hi, would like to know how we can help you. Please answer a few questions so one of our representatives may follow up with you." Perfect welcome message, right? It's a perfect one. You can edit it to your taste. Now, let's go to questions. First question is, are you interested in our product or service? Now, you can specify the precise product. So you can say, are you interested in our, let's say it's a particular property. You can say Key Haven 2. So that's a property, right? Are you interested in our Key Haven 2 property, right? So you can just put that. Now, when the person clicks yes, then they will be taken to a next question. If the person clicks no, not now, they will be taken to a disqualification message, right? Just follow me closely. They will be taken to a disqualification message. Now, if they click on yes, then it takes them to next question. What is the next question? Calm down. The next question here is, what city do you live in? Now, this question might not be something we really need. So all we can do is to edit the question. So instead of what city do you live in, we can delete this question and then change the question to something else, like add question, and then we just say phone number. So immediately the person says, I am interested, clicks on yes. They are taken to, what is your phone number? So that we can reach out and give you more information, right? So that's it. So if they click this yes here at the top, then they are taken to this phone number. We don't want to waste any time. Now, answer validation, turn it on. Now, why are you turning on the answer validation? The answer validation would ensure that these people are giving you accurate contact information. So if somebody says things that they want to just type any number just because they want to, no, they have to, it will not work because they have to give you a valid contact information. So this is exactly why that works. But this would limit your leads. This will limit the number of leads, but it will make it more accurate. So, I mean, who cares, right? So let's move on. Now, the disqualification message. What is the disqualification message? Now, we also need to set that after this person answers, then what happens? They will be shown a completion message, right? A completion message means, thanks for answering our question. We contact you to let you know what happens next. That's a good one. You can edit it to your taste as well, right? Now, there's also a call to action button, meaning that after the person must have seen the completion message, they can click a link to probably message you somewhere. Or you can say, so you can add to the completion message and say, for more information, please click, right? Please click the link below. So you can put a link and say view website, and you put your WhatsApp link under the call to action link here. So here you say call to action text. You can say WhatsApp us. You can say WhatsApp us. And then the link, you can put in your WhatsApp link so that when after they see the completion message, they will see a link to be able to message you on. That's for that one. Now, the disqualification message is simple also. Disqualification message means that for somebody who says they click, maybe at the top of our question here, they click not now, they are taken to a disqualification message, right? Why am I getting that right? Disqualification. So they are taken to a disqualification message, right? Now, when they get to that disqualification message, this is what you will tell them. Thanks for your interest, but it doesn't look like we're a good fit at this time. That's too harsh. You can try to make that subtle away, right? So you can edit that to make it a little bit more relaxed and say like, thanks for your interest, but it seems like you are unable to find what you want. For more information, you can call us, blah, 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 and that could probably help. You know what I mean? So what you need to do right now is edit that if you want to, and then go to the privacy policy here. Just put in your website. Even though you don't have a website, just put in the name of your business, www.mybusiness, or just say www.bizleadng.com. So even if you don't have a website, just put it there and then click save. It doesn't mean it will still work. Okay, so once you save this will save that it will save that message template, and that message template is what would be used for this your lead generation advert. This lead generation advert I'm showing you is very unique and it works really, really well, right? So once you're done with all this, all you have to do is to publish. Now your advert is ready and you can publish your advert, and you will start seeing people message you on Instagram, and you don't need to really be involved because the automated chat is going to just work. They click, they get answer. All you have to do is manually just come there, take the number, reach out to these people. Now I would advise that you reach out to them immediately. Don't wait for the next day. So if somebody messages, immediately they drop their number, call them. Thank you so much for dropping your number. I'm from this particular business or this page. We just received that you were interested. We would like to just follow up. And you can convert people immediately. Now, daily you're getting like 10 to 20 leads. You can convert at least 5 or 3 of them every day. And if you can do this for the next 1 month, you'll be converting quite a number of leads. And this will mean a whole lot for your business. So try this. Let me know if this works for you. And let me know other videos that you would want me to create from. This is a good time for you to subscribe if you have watched this far. Thank you so much for watching this far. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave me a comment to let me know the videos that you would like me to create next. Thank you so much. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.